In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit crypto from Binance to Exness safely and correctly. We'll walk through how to move your funds from Binance to your Exness trading account without hiccups, focusing on choosing the right coin and the exact network so everything lands where it should. First, log into your Exness personal area and open the deposit section. Here, you'll see exactly which cryptocurrencies are currently accepted for deposit, such as USDT or BTC, along with the supported networks like TRC20 or ERC20. This matters because deposits only arrive if the coin and the network match what Exness supports. Take a moment to note any minimum deposit amounts or special conditions listed for your chosen coin. Sending less than the minimum can result in lost or uncredited funds. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to use in the Exness deposit section. Exness will generate a specific wallet address for that coin and show the required network. Carefully copy this address and confirm the network shown. Double-check both. It helps to compare the first and last few characters of the address after you paste it later, just to ensure nothing changed during copying. Now head over to your Binance account and open your wallet, either spot or funding, depending on where your funds are held. Choose the same cryptocurrency you selected on Exness, then tap Withdraw. Paste the Exness wallet address into the recipient field and verify it character by character. Critically, select the exact same network that Exness specified, for example TRC20 for USDT, if that's what Exness shows. Choosing the wrong network is a common mistake and can permanently result in lost funds. If you see a memo or tag field on Binance, only use it if Exness explicitly requires one for that coin and network. Enter the withdrawal amount, ensuring it's above any Binance and Exness minimums after fees, then review the fee and estimated arrival time before confirming the withdrawal. After you submit, Binance will show the transaction as processing and then completed once it's sent to the blockchain. That status means the funds have left Binance, but you still need to wait for blockchain confirmations. This timing varies by coin and network. Return to your Exness personal area and keep an eye on your balance or transaction history. Once the required confirmations are met, your deposit will appear automatically in your Exness account. That's the whole process. Match the coin, match the network, confirm the address, and wait for confirmations. Follow these steps carefully and your funds should arrive smoothly in Exness.